Hey guys, Shawn Yacoubian here with Yacoubian Muay Thai. Today I'm going to show you how we do the jump rope, the basic jump rope at the academy. So when you start off with the jump rope, basically two ways to start it off. You can make X with the rope. All it is like your shoulders are turning, or you can start the more traditional way from back here. Hands on the grip and turn. Okay, let me do the other one. Crossing, off of the cross, you wait for your moment. Now in the basic jump rope here at the academy, we use this to warm up, among other things. So you're shifting your weight, you're warming up your ankles, you're warming up your wrists and your shoulders, and you're shifting your weight from side to side. The other way to do it is both feet at the same time. And the other way is you kick out your feet. Kicking out your feet like so. Bring up your heel and kick straight out as you're doing the regular rope. Then we have butt kickers. Bringing your heel up towards your butt. Then the other one, as you kick out, you put your heel on the ground. Instead of kicking out like so, you're gonna put your heel on the ground. Progressing forward to more advanced, you get into a fighting stance. And you jump rope with your left leg forward. You can mix it up by advancing forward and going backward. When you're in a fighting stance, you're going forward and back. You're going forward and back. It's the same thing, except you're doing it with the jump rope. At the academy, we always work on both stances. That way all the students learn both stances and to be ambidextrous. That's it for the jump rope. Thanks for watching.